In today's video, we will cover Copilot Cowork finance use case to review employee travel bills against a defined policy. Then we will approve, reject, or request for clarification as per requirement. So this is our travel expense policy for the company, where we have defined the category flight, hotel, taxi, meals, client dinner, and their approved limit. This is one of the sample of the one of employee travel expense, employee name, email ID, purpose, location, and expenses and amount. And this is our prompt. You are a funds assistant responsible for processing employee expense as per company policy. So this prompt will first of all extract information from the documents, will categorize expenses, calculate totals, validate expenses against the policy. It will approve, reject, or ask for review. It will generate report. If there are any violations, it will draft email for clarification. In guideline, we have mentioned maintain professional finance tone. If something is not clear, do not assume, ask for information. This is our prompt. We have copied on clipboard. Let's go to Cowork. I pasted my prompt over here. Let me also add both the files, policy file and expense file. We are uploading the files from our hard disk. We also keep files on OneDrive or SharePoint. Let's execute this prompt. You can see that so far it able to extract data from expense report filled by employee. It also read the travel policy file and categorizing and validating expense against the policy. At last, it will generate Excel report and draft email if clarification required. So output in front of us, we can see that the items, category, and how much amount claimed against each item, what policy limit allows, what is allowed, how much is excess, and what is status. Like flight, he claimed for 20,000 rupees, but there is no limit, so it is approved. For hotel, he asked for 30,000 rupees, but he allow only 6,000 per night, so it totally 18,000, and 12,000 is excess and needs review, and so on. Since expense is not approved completely, it needs clarification. It also generated email for us. As we mentioned, if policy violation, draft professional email to employee requesting clarification or additional information, include all detail in Excel file format. So we also got an Excel file. You can open in Excel, which contain the full information in summary format, expense details as per category. Let's go back to Cowork. Email is saved as draft, not sent. Please send email. Send email action require approval. Let's check our email. You can see that we got the email with all details for clarification, also attached Excel file. So you can see that how Copilot Cowork help us in a finance use case of approving or rejecting travel bills against the travel policy. In case output is not what you want exactly, you need to fine-tune your prompt and fine-tune your file formats to get better results. As iteration is very important to get better results. Please notice that it's quite big prompt. Writing such big prompt again and again can be an issue. So you can create skills for which refer skills video. Thank you.